ASIN variation suspensions on Amazon. This video is going to be a little bit longer because I really want to explain what variations are and the general problems that Amazon sellers face, along with some tips to hopefully avoid this from occurring. So 3 main components for ASIN variations, right? So you have your parent product, that's the non-buying product that's used to relate to child products. The child product is related to the parent, right? And it varies in some way, generally by size or color are 2 common examples. The third component, variation theme. So this is how the related products differ, and themes usually differ depending on the product category. So how do you know if you have a valid variation? Okay, so these are some of the questions you should ask yourself in order to determine this. Number 1, are the products fundamentally the same? Number 2, could they share the same title? Number 3, is the product's core use altered in any way? And number 4, would customers expect them to be grouped together? Okay, so there's often confusion when selling multiple products with multiple style and color variations. So keep in mind, you can't list inherently different products. So I want to go through one very quick example that I think will illustrate this. Say you sell mugs, right? Say you sell them in different colors and different sayings. Let's say one mug says USA on it, and you add a color variation theme. So if you have USA mugs in different colors, that is a valid variation relationship. But let's say you only have one mug that says USA on it in white, and the other mugs in the different colors do not say USA on it. That is an invalid variation relationship. Now, as far as tips, you need to make sure that you add the correct variation value, like size or color. I would be very cautious with other variation themes. Those are usually the ones that sellers have problems with. Number 2, don't create variation families that are not of the same brand or product type. Very important. Number 3, don't use a variation outside of the approved theme that's offered for your products. For some reason, sellers try and do this, and it almost always causes a problem, so try and avoid it. Lastly, don't put more than one product characteristic in a variation attribute. If you have any questions about variations, maybe you're looking to create one, maybe, hopefully you weren't already suspended, but if you were, feel free to contact us, David at damlawfirm.com.